Hey everyone, I'm Dynamic John of Dynamic Carpet Care, and people ask me all the time, what's a homemade cleaner I could use in my carpet cleaning machine? Well, when I get asked that question, it's kind of a long answer, but I'm going to give you the short version. Okay, here's a couple of items you need. You need some dish detergent and a small bucket, whether it's a gallon, 2 gallons. This one will work right now. You take a couple of drops of dish detergent and put it into the bucket. More is not better here. You can always add more, so just add a couple of drops. Fill it with the water, and you'll see the suds in your bucket. Again, you don't want too much soap because that's going to stay in your carpet. Okay, you mix it up, pour it into your machine. Once you pour it into your machine and you start cleaning, make sure you go over that area again and again to get out all the moisture. And then, of course, you're going to have your trusty box fan on that area to dry it quicker. So I hope this homemade shampoo for your carpet cleaning machine worked. If you're still experiencing problems with your carpet, contact a local professional or contact me at www.dynamiccarpetcare.us. And remember, keep it clean, my friends.